Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can log into your second Gmail account. All right, you can log into your personal email account and a business email account or office email account. All right, let me show you how you can do that in your phone. Go to your open Gmail app. If you don't have a Gmail app, you can download it from Google Play Store, or you can sign in into your Gmail account through a browser. So for the purpose of this video, I'll be using a Gmail app. Okay, so I'll click on my Gmail app. Then you come to this corner right here. Click on it. Then you scroll down to where you have add account. All right, click on it. So if is a Gmail account that you want to log in, you click on Google, and if it is Outlook or Hotmail, you click Outlook or Hotmail. If it is a Yahoo mail, you come right here to Yahoo. All right. So I I want to add another Gmail account, so I'll click on Google. All right. So you have to enter the Google account. That is the email or the phone number. So I will type the email right now. Okay. Then you hit next button. Then you enter your password. Once you are done, you click on next button. Then you click I agree. We are in. We have successfully added another Gmail account. Okay. If you come right here, okay, you click on it, then you scroll down to see the email that we just added. As you can see right here, this is the email that I just added. So this is how you can add another Gmail account in your Android phone. Okay, so with this method, you can add as many as possible. You can add 5 different uh, Gmail accounts or email accounts. Okay, so it is very possible. We have come to the end of today's tutorial. Okay, if there is any challenges or if you have any question, please go to the comment section below and let me know. Thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I upload valuable content, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you.